If you use Firefox a lot, this next trick can save you a ton of time. Today I'm going to show you how to use search refiners in Firefox so you can quickly narrow down what you're looking for right from the address bar. This is a simple feature, but once you know it, it makes searching faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox and click into the address bar or press Ctrl and L on your keyboard to jump there instantly. Now, instead of just typing a normal search term, Firefox lets you add special refinement characters to tell it exactly what kind of results you want. Let's start with the % sign. Type the % symbol before or after your search term if you want Firefox to filter results to open tabs only. This is really useful when you know you already have a page open somewhere, but you don't want to scroll through all your tabs manually. For example, if you type a keyword with % around it, Firefox will focus on tabs you already have open that match that term. Next is the asterisk, type. If you want to filter results to bookmarks, this is perfect when you've saved a lot of pages and you need to find one fast without digging through folders. Just type your search term with, and Firefox will look through your bookmarks instead of giving you general web results. After that, use the caret symbol, which looks like achar, to filter results to your browsing history. This is very handy when you remember visiting a page before, but you can't remember the exact website or title. By using eShouts with your search, Firefox will search through pages you've already visited. Now let's talk about the plus sign. Type plus to filter results to synced pages. This is great if you use Firefox on multiple devices and have syncing turned on. It helps you find pages that are available through your Firefox account across devices, which can make browsing a lot more seamless. And finally, if you want to force a web search using your default search engine, type a question mark followed by a space before your search term. This tells Firefox that you want to search the web directly instead of pulling up tabs, bookmarks, or history results. It's a simple way to make sure your search goes straight to the internet when that's what you need. The best part is that you can use these refiners right from the address bar without changing any settings or installing anything extra. It's all built into Firefox, so once you memorize these characters, you can switch between tabs, bookmarks, history, synced pages, and web searches in just a few seconds. So remember this quick cheat sheet: % for open tabs, asterisk for bookmarks, caret for browsing history, plus for synced pages, and question mark plus a space for a normal web search. A few symbols can completely change how fast you work in Firefox. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox tips and shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.